I had a request. A request? What the hell is a request? What's going on, guys? Super quick DoorDash screw job story. So I took a request today, and the only reason I took it, it was kind of a slower time of the day. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Normally I will only go to restaurants that I'm familiar with, but this was from a waffle joint, which I thought was kind of odd. Who wants to order pancakes and waffles delivered? But I digress. So it's about a $9 order, and the delivery is kind of heading back towards where I live because I wanted to wrap up my day. But it said it was like the request came in at 2:50. And it said the order would be ready at 3:10, pay with your red card, right, no big deal. So I'm at this area, and I'm like I said, normally I wouldn't even do one that says like 20 minutes, but I'm right across the street. There's a coffee shop, slow time of the day, so I figure I'm just going to grab me a cup of coffee, and then I'll go get the order. So I grab my coffee. I'm sitting there for about 10 minutes or so, and when it comes time, I drive over. The restaurant's like right down the street, probably no less than a quarter mile. And I hit arrive, and sure as crap, the message pops up. We had a error placing this order. You will need to wait in line and place this order in person. No way. So anyway, guys, just another DoorDash. Why would they wait until after I hit arrive to say, oh, you're going to have to place this order in person? Guess what, DoorDash? No, I'm not. I'm going to cancel that order. I already waited 20 minutes, and I'm not going to place this order and kill another 20 minutes. Sorry, guys. Just another little story. Be careful out there with DoorDash. It can be good at the same time. They will screw you over. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, please comment, and most importantly, if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel. Get out there, make that money, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.